Hello and welcome back to Ask Nolan. Today we're going to be taking a look at question 5 from a unit test for Algebra 1. It's dealing with the graphing inequalities, so you have to know whether the line is solid or dotted and whether it's shaded above or below. Those are the main things. And then for this question in particular, if we look at the answer choices, all of these answer choices are in point slope formula, okay, which means that we should be able to identify the point that this line passes through, okay? So first, let's start off with it's a dotted line. So we know it's a dotted line, okay? And we can tell that it's shaded below, okay? The shading is below the line. Once again, this is below, this is above. The shading is below the line, okay? Now, with that being said, if it's a dotted line and it's shaded below, that means we're going to be looking for the less than symbol. With that being said, B does not have a less than symbol. It has a greater than, and D does not have less than. It also says greater than. Now, another thing, let me get back to point slope formula. So point slope formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. If we notice here, m represents the slope. The slope for all of these is the same. So that's one thing we don't have to worry about trying to figure out. They've already kind of done the work for us for that. So we can safely assume that no matter what, the slope is -5/3. Now what we need to identify are the ordered pairs, the x1 and the y1 for A and C. And then we're going to plot it because that's the point that the line must pass through. Now, when we extract them, they're going to be their opposites. So this is our x. Oops, let me put that back. This is our x, that's our y, this is the x, this is the y. But when I write it in an ordered pair, it has to be written as its opposite. So x would be -6, even though it looks like a +6. And y would be +5, even though it looks like a -5. And then same thing for C. C is going to be the opposite. So instead of -6, it's going to be +6. And y is going to be -5. Now, we just need to plot both of those points to see which one actually falls on the line. So -6, +5. -6, +5 is right here, which is not on the line. It's in the shaded region, which is good. That means it's a solution, but it has to be on the line in order for us to pick the right inequality. So let's take a look at C. C says +6, -5. +6, -5 is right here on the line. So with that being said, our correct answer here would be answer choice C.